All right, friends, if you want a quick, easy, simple dessert that takes no time at all to make, this is it. This is one of my family's favorite desserts because it's quick, easy, literally 6 ingredients, and we almost always have these 6 ingredients on hand. So you start with some oats. We use like the quick oats, the rolled oats, if you call them that. And we make multiple batches of this at a time, and then we add some salt and some vanilla. We measure that with the heart, but really, and then, there's my handsome husband, and some honey. You can mix the honey and the peanut butter together before you add the oats and other ingredients if you want. I just add it all in a bowl and then mix it all together. But whatever is easiest for you to do. And there we go. We are going to add the peanut butter. So yummy. I love that this really is just so quick and easy, and they taste delicious. I think that they're healthier for you, so it's great. And we're just gonna mix it all together. Now again, I just throw it all in a bowl and mix it until it's mixed together. You can mix the peanut butter and the honey together and then add your oats and everything. It kind of stirs up a little easier, but I just throw it all in the bowl and just go with it. So we are going to stir, just mix it all together until it's all well combined and go from there. So we're just going to keep mixing. Okay, and now you're going to add some mini chocolate chips. You can add nuts. You can have fun with this. Add whatever you want in there. I just use some chocolate chips because that's what we like. And just mix it all together. Give it a good stir. And you're ready to go. I use the same recipe to make my homemade granola bars as well, and just press them into a sheet pan. And so you can make protein balls or granola bars with this, which is, I love that as well. Okay, now we're just gonna form our protein balls. So I used a tablespoon just to kind of get a good idea of how much I want. I didn't fill up a tablespoon. I just got some, and then you just roll it into a ball and you stick it on a plate, or I think sticking it on a plate works best. But you can also stick it in a bowl, that sort of thing. Just something to be able to stick it in the fridge and let them set up. So here we are. We're going to make all the bowls until it's all gone. And again, I use this same recipe to make granola bars. And so here, instead of rolling them into balls, I would just take all of that mixture and put it in a pan, a baking dish, and kind of smash it out into a square, and then make granola bars with it. So you can really do a couple different things with this, which is something that I really love about this recipe. You can make protein balls or granola bars. And here they are. Don't they look amazing and delicious? And we're just gonna pop them into the fridge for at least 30 minutes. And now we got them out, and we're gonna store them in an airtight container and put them back in the fridge. So we store them in the fridge, but stick them in that airtight container and pop them in the fridge. And then whenever you're ready for just a little dessert, you can just get them out and eat one, and it makes the perfect, quick, easy snack, dessert, and you don't feel guilty about it because it's literally 6 simple ingredients that aren't bad for you. maybe the chocolate chips, but I think, everything within reason, right? They're yummy. Enjoy.